Up here.
There's a reason I'm calling you, Missy. Nikki, get up here. Yeah, why don't you run? Larry loves my, did you get my picture?
I'm taking a move. I'm taking a movie.
Oh, great.
Do something like what an actress would do or something in a movie.
Well, it depends upon what her scene is, Michael. Look at my land. My glorious, glorious land.
Oh, it's beautiful.
That's where Columbus came in.
That's right.
To Georgia.
Oh, there's a doggy.
Are you really doing a movie?
Yeah. We'll get the. You can put it on Facebook.
I know. Larry loved my old pictures. He's like, where did you get those? I gotta put some other ones up there. Nikki, we gotta get a treadmill for you. Come spring, he's gonna be swimming in